Welcome to this lockdown edition of Property Breaking News. Now, the government have asked all buy-to-let mortgage lenders to give their mortgage borrowers a 3-month mortgage payment deferment. Now, that's the government policy, but how easy has it actually been to organise this 3-month deferment with individual lenders? Well, in this video, I'm going to review about 10 or so mortgage lenders and evaluate how easy it's been to actually defer buy-to-let mortgage payments by 3 months, which ones are playing ball with government policy, and which ones are, quite frankly, making it a bit difficult. Now, if you've got experiences of lenders that I haven't covered in this list, then please comment below. Let us know. It's all about sharing. So, and if you've found different experiences to the ones that we've found, also let us know in the comments below. My name is Ranjan. I've been investing in property for 30 years, and these are unprecedented times, really. I've never known a time like this. And on this channel, we release new videos each and every week, all dedicated to helping you be more successful in property. During this coronavirus crisis, we're going to be helping you survive and thrive this period, and also start to share with you some of the opportunities that are going to emerge for property investors in the coming months. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you're notified as soon as we upload, and also like us, because it really helps us out on YouTube. So, which lenders are playing ball? Well, let's have a look. Well, first of all, it's important to say that you can only really get a 3-month deferment, I understand, if you do not already have payment arrears or you're not facing any difficulties. In those certain circumstances, it may be a difficult ballgame. Now, in recent days, the mortgage market has pretty much ground to a halt. Many RICS valuers are simply not going out to do valuations during this coronavirus lockdown period. That is meaning that mortgage companies can't make offers. Where they are doing so on desktop valuations, they've dropped down the loan to values quite considerably. 60–65% is the new norm if they are lending at all. So this is going to be a period where cash is going to be absolutely king, and you need to make sure you conserve yours. One way to do that is to avail yourself of the 3-month buy-to-let mortgage lending deferment option. So who's playing ball? Well, let's have a look at some of the lenders who aren't lending anymore. Legacy loans. If you've got loans from before the 2009 credit crunch, you may have lenders like Mortgage Express, who operate under a whole bunch of brands now, Razinka, but basically they're government-backed buy-to-let mortgage loans. Those guys, it seems to be over the phone. The phone lines are very busy, but they are playing ball, as you'd expect, being a sort of government-backed body. Capital home loans, again, on the phone process. They seem to, one call for all your mortgage accounts. They seem to be relatively straightforward to do. They're playing ball. Paragon Home Loans, they've got in place a website page, a special Covid-19 website page. You go on there, you fill in the form, and you just ask for it. Just asking for it is not meaning that you're going to get it automatically. They're going to confirm back to you by email that you will indeed get it. And I guess that's going to be dependent on whether you've got arrears or a mortgage payment history problem. That would probably be what defines it. On to Precise. Well, you can send them an email. You'll get an automated one back. I think their email is inquiries@precisemortgages.co.uk. Send them an email asking for the deferment. They'll tell you in their automated email back, what they'll ask you to do is cancel a DD. So they're pretty much accepted that you will get the deferment. And they've asked you to make a £10 token payment by their telephone payment system instead. It's probably the way they've set up their procedure, but again, full marks for them for having a process and getting on board so quickly. Virgin Money have been great as well. They've got a web page, simple to fill in and job done. BM Solutions, yes, they've got a page, but they are remarkably busy. Every time we've tried it, it's crashed a lot. There doesn't seem to be an alternative email address to use, but that's all by their web page. So keep trying and see. Aldermore, nothing on their website. Their call centers seem to be very, very busy right now. It's very, very difficult to get hold of. I'd be interested to know. We've sent emails to their mortgage services team, haven't had a response back. Interested to see what you guys have found in dealing with Aldermore. Kent Reliance, Foundation Home Loans, the Mortgage Works, all have been reasonably helpful putting in place the 3-month holiday. Interbay, nothing on their website, very, very difficult with the call centre. Quite frankly, it was waiting on hold, bouncing around between several different departments, all waiting on hold each time, and then bounced back to the original one again. So I haven't got anywhere with them. Barclays seem to be playing a bit difficult. Handelsbanken, very strange. They're probably, they're relationship bankers and everything. And they're probably the bankers which have fed me the most lunch over the years. But they seem to have a very strange policy right now. They're saying that if you have more than 3 buy-to-lets, it doesn't count. It doesn't count for this 3-month payment holiday. Now, I've seen nothing in the government guidance which says if you have more than 3 buy-to-lets, then you don't get it. In fact, the other lenders like the Mortgage Works, Precise, Aldermore and all of that, they are more than happy to do this across all buy-to-let loans. If anyone's had any different experience with Handelsbanken, do let us know in the comments below. Also, a very, very special mention to Norwich and Peterborough. Full marks for them. Now, many people don't know this, but the 3-month payment deferment is available for buy-to-let mortgages for residential property at the moment. The government have not asked commercial lenders giving commercial mortgages to offer a 3-month deferment. So if you have a commercial mortgage, which is financing a commercial property such as a shop or an office, or even if you've got a commercial mortgage for a large HMO, which is valued on a commercial basis, then commercial mortgages are not covered by this as yet. The situation is likely to change, I believe, but at the moment, commercial lenders do not have to offer you anything. So we have a couple of commercial premises with Norwich and Peterborough. They don't have to offer a deferment, but full marks to them. They have offered a 3-month payment deferment and confirmed that in writing. So that's a little bit of a roundup of the situation on the ground with some key lenders in the UK. Please let us know what experiences you've had in arranging a 3-month mortgage payment deferment off your loans. Also, let us know anything you want to know about during this COVID-19 crisis. Leave these in the comments below. Remember also the Baker Street property meet. During this COVID-19 crisis, we can't meet 300 people in a room in central London, obviously. So we're doing it online. We've got an online event on Thursday, 26th of March. It's absolutely free. Register now at bakerstreetpropertymeet.com for your place. We are going to cover the COVID-19 crisis, how it affects property development, property auctions, commercial property and residential property. Our guests joining us are John Howard, David Sanderman of EI Group, Andrew Roberts and myself. We'll be taking your questions live in that live stream. We have more than 750 people registered for this event. Get your place now. bakerstreetpropertymeet.com. It's absolutely free. Remember, if you haven't already done so, subscribe and like and hit the bell icon because we're releasing content throughout this lockdown period to help you survive, thrive, and later to see the opportunities that this crisis will bring for savvy property entrepreneurs. Until the next video, bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit the bell icon. As soon as we upload, we'll let you know. And enjoy these. They're all dedicated to helping you be more successful in property. Happy investing.